Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope so you will be fine. Welcome to grade 4 and this is your first class of maths. Let's start it. Today in this first lecture our topic is using four operations. What's the topic? Using four operations. So before to start this topic, let's take a quick review of some important points. Number 1. Numbers. What are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are called numbers. Number 2. Operations. Plus, minus, divide and multiply. These signs are actually called operations. These are called operations and you know these signs very well. Number 3. Mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. What is a mathematical expression? Mathematical expression is an expression which includes numbers as well as operations. Clear? An expression which includes numbers as well as operations mean when we will use the numbers and these operations together in the same sum, in the same problem, then that problem is actually called mathematical expression. Let's take an example of mathematical expression. 3 plus 4 multiplied by 7. Now here 3, 4 and 7 are the numbers. Plus and multiply. These two signs are called operations and we are using these numbers and operations together in the same place. Now this whole term is called mathematical expression. Clear? Come to the second example. 11 minus 5 plus 6. Now numbers are here. 11, 5 and 6 numbers are here. Minus and plus. Signs mean operations are also here. We are using the numbers and operations in the same place. So this is called mathematical expression. Now in using four operations in this topic, we will learn how can we use these numbers and operations together in the same problem. Clear? Using four operations. For this topic, there are two rules. To use the operations and the numbers together in the same sum, we have two rules. Today in this topic, we will only use the rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? Rule number 1 is when there are two operations, plus and minus only or multiply and divide only in the given expression, we start working from left and operations are used in sequence. Got it? When there are two operations, plus and minus only in the given expression, or if in the given expression there are only multiply and divide, then we start working from left side of the expression and operations are used in sequence. Sequence means order. Getting me? Let's start an example. Example number 1 is 16 plus 4 minus 10. Now, according to the rule, firstly, you will check what are the signs in your expression, plus or minus or multiply or divide. Now, there are plus and minus. There are plus and minus. Now, secondly, we start working from left. In our expression, we have two signs. Plus and minus. We have two signs, plus and minus. Start working from left. Where is the left? This one is your right side and this one is your left side, and we have to start from the left side of the expression, and operations are used in sequence, mean order. Let's start from the very left side. What is our first operation? First operation is from the left side, first operation is plus. So firstly we will solve the plus sign. Firstly we will solve the plus sign. What are the numbers? 16 and 4. Numbers are 16 and 4. So 16 plus 4, 20. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So our answer is 20. Our answer is 20. Firstly we will put the equal sign, then we will write the answer 20. But when you will solve the first operation from the left side, the remaining operation and number will be as it is. We will not change the position or place of the number and operation. Clear? Now come to the second one. Our second operation is minus. What's the rule? Starting from the left, operations are used in sequence. Sequence mean order. Mean when we will solve the first one from the left side, then we will use the sequence. Mean after plus there is minus. After plus there is minus sign. In the second position we will solve the minus sign. So where is the minus sign? Yes, we have the minus sign our expression. So secondly we will solve the minus sign. Let's start the minus. 20 minus 10. What are the numbers? 20 minus 10. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So our answer is, firstly we will put the equal sign. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Clear? So this 10 is our answer. This 10 is our answer. Clear? Now come to the example number 2. What's the example number 2? 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 9. Again, according to the rule, we will check the signs. Is there plus and minus? No. Is there a multiply or divide? Yes. Now in this expression there are the signs of multiplication and division. So secondly, working from the left side of the expression. Where is the left side? This one is your right side and this one is your left side. So start working from the left side. From the left side, what's our first operation? First operation is division. So firstly we will solve the division sign. We will solve the division sign because we have two signs, division and multiplication. From the left side, our first sign is division sign. So firstly we will solve the division. What's in division? 24 divided by 6. Let's solve this one. 24 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. So our answer is 4. Put the equal sign. 6 fours are 24, and as I told you, when we will solve the first one operation, we will put the remaining sign and operation as it is. So multiplication and 9. Multiply by 9 will be as it is. After starting from the left side, next is operations are used in sequence. in order. After division, we will use the order. According to the order, next sign is multiplication. So secondly, we will solve the multiplication. In the second position, we will solve the multiplication. What's in multiplication? 4 9s are 4 multiplied by 9. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So when secondly, in the second position, when we will solve multiplication, our answer is 36. 4 9s are 36. So this 36 is our answer. Clear? So this was all about using 4 operations. For using 4 operations, there are 2 rules, and this lecture we are using only one rule. What was the rule? Let's take a quick recap. When there are 2 operations, you will check your expression. You will check the expression, which operation is there. Is there plus and minus together, or multiply or divide is there? After checking your sign in the expression, you will start working from the left side of your operation. You will start working from the left side of the operation, and after solving the first operation from the left side, you will use the sequence. Mean you will move to the next operation in an order. Clear? Hope so you will learn the topic, and now you have to do the practice related to this rule. You can take the examples from your book, and you can also take the numbers and operations by yourself. Thank you.